So in this section, we will talk about what is use of Microsoft Teams activity. How many times you feel that when you are working on a project, when you are working in a department, multiple activities are going on. And it's very hard for you to track all those activities, that who is communicating with who is saying file, when you have meeting and all those alerts. So using Microsoft Teams activity, you can track all those things. And that is what you can find at very top left side activity. Click on it and you will find there everything is logged. Whatever actions you are taking, or whatever actions taken by your team member, taken by taken within your project, taken within your department. So that is what you will get idea, that which kind of actions are going on within your project, within your organization, within your department.